Hi besties, if you're trying to lighten up any dark parts or dark area on your skin on a budget, so do not go anywhere. I'm going to be sharing a skincare hack, that is how to combine Vaseline with turmeric, how to properly use these powerful ingredients on your skin to give yourself a glowy skin and a flawless skin on a budget. This process is going to shock you.
Vaseline. Don't make the mistake of just pouring turmeric and the Vaseline and mixing it together. It's wrong. Please, in order for us to avoid irritation, allergies on your skin, just make sure that you watch this video to the end.
Besties, so like I said, our first ingredient is petroleum jelly, also known as Vaseline Blue Seal. When you get to the market or wherever you want to get it, make sure you get the Blue Seal Vaseline petroleum jelly. So but before I do that, I'm going to be using 1 spoon of my turmeric powder. I'm using 1 spoon because I'm not really doing so much. So as you can see, I think I used 1.5 spoons. So I added warm water to just brew in the turmeric to like extract all the ingredients out of it and mix it properly till it has a pastry consistency, so that I do not just pour it in powder form like that. So I'm going to leave that aside to cool down. Then I'm going to take also a spoon. I used a spoon of my Vaseline and half of it, that's making 1.5. And I'm going to be adding this our carrot oil, just like an additional carrot oil for fragrance and for additional lightening benefits. If you've not watched the video on how I actually made it, this oil, you go down to the video. I'm going to link it up here so you can go and watch the full video. So I'm going to turn my Vaseline. By mixing this Vaseline petroleum jelly with our oil properly actually helps to allow the oil infuse in our Vaseline and also wake up the Vaseline. So after that, I'm going to be adding my turmeric paste and mix it properly. I'm gonna do a lot of mixing. But for this mixture to be properly blended and infused in it properly, I'm actually going to have to double boil it. So I'm going to be pouring my hot water in a bowl and just put it in. Don't put it on fire directly. Make sure that you just put it in a bowl so that it can melt in and everything can infuse properly, so you can see how it turned out to be. And voila, our Vaseline lightening cream is ready. This cream actually gives us a balm consistency. It's going to give us a balm consistency because of the petroleum jelly, as you can see the texture. So with this, you can apply it in any area you have dark parts, maybe on your knuckles, your thighs, your neck, any area. You leave it on your skin. I would advise that you do this at night. I would say that you do this at night so that all the ingredients can soak in and you can get a better result and a better benefit, because sometimes during the daytime and going out, you can increase your chances, or you can increase the chances of having sunburn on your skin. So I would just say you apply this cream at night. Let this just be your lightening cream treatment. Okay, so voila, our our recipe is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please do well to like, follow, and also share. Trust me, you're going to find this video really helpful. Come out to the comment section and tell me what you think about this video, or what else you want to see about this video. As you can see the difference, it was applied on the left hand side and you can see how visible the result is. Thank you so much guys once again for joining me, and until then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.